Hello kids, let's learn fish names. Goldfish. This is a goldfish. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. Shark. This is a shark. Tuna. This is a tuna. Salmon. This is a salmon. Catfish. This is a catfish. Starfish. This is a starfish. Angelfish. This is a angelfish. Betta fish. This is a betta fish. Guppy. This is a guppy. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. Swordfish. This is a swordfish. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.